Hello, hi everyone, welcome to my channel for English reading practice. I will explain to you how to read English and how to learn English and how to read English. Let's start. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by towering mountains, lived a young girl named Mia. Ever since she was once upon a time in a small village surrounded by a towering mountains, lived a young girl named Mia. Ever since she was. Once again, I am repeating for your convenience. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by towering mountains, lived a young girl named Mia. Ever since she was. Now going to second paragraph. Little Mia had a dream. She wanted to climb to the top of the highest mountain. She could see many people in her village thought it was impossible. It was impossible, saying no one from here has ever climbed that high before. Now third paragraph. But Mia did not let that stop her. She started training every day, climbing smaller hills, learning how to use climbing gear, and building her strength and endurance. She faced many, but Mia did not let that stop her. She started training every day, climbing smaller hills, learning how to use climbing gear, and building her strength and endurance. She faced many challenges, bad weather, injuries, and sometimes the doubt of others around her. Still, Mia stayed focused and kept pushing forward, believing that if she worked hard enough, she would reach her goal. She faced many challenges. You can read with me. She faced many challenges, bad weather, injuries, and sometimes the doubt of others around her. Now read simple books. Being with children's books or short stories with use simple languages and are easy to understand. This will build your reading skill and boost confidence. How can you become efficient in English? You can apply this formula. Read simple books. Number 1, read simple books. Begin with children's books or short stories with use simple language and are easy to understand. These will build your reading skills and boost confidence. You will learn how to read English and how to complete knowledge. Read simple books. Begin with children's books or short stories which use simple language and are easy to understand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.